If you're looking for the best Bluehost coupon code, this video will show you how to get an exclusive discount of up to 70% off with pricing starting as low as $2.99 per month, plus a free domain name on eligible plans. This is a special discount available only through the link in the description, and it's lower than what you'll see directly on the Bluehost website. To get the Bluehost coupon code discount, click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied when you go through the link. There's no code to enter at checkout. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best Bluehost pricing available. Here's exactly what you get with the exclusive Bluehost discount. Starter plan as low as $2.99 per month, up to 70% off, perfect for one website or beginners. Business plan as low as $5.99 per month, up to 57% off, more power, better performance, and extra features. E-commerce essentials plan as low as $13.99 per month, up to 36% off, built for online stores and WooCommerce websites. Annual plans include a free domain name. The 1-year, 3-year plans qualify. Monthly plans do not include a free domain. If you want the lowest monthly price, choose the 3-year term. This gives you the biggest discount overall. If you don't want to commit long term, the 1-year plan still offers excellent savings compared to paying monthly. When you use the Bluehost link in the description, you'll get exclusive discount not shown publicly, lower pricing than Bluehost main website, a free domain name on annual plans, official Bluehost hosting with WordPress support. To claim the best Bluehost coupon code, click the link in the description below and lock in the discount while it's available. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more web hosting deals and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.